Products. In this lecture, I will show you the product settings in Shopify. Okay, we have collections and products, but we're gonna do that in a later lecture. So, okay, right over here, I want you to navigate to products, and we will wait. And here you see all your products, but we don't have added any products yet. We're gonna do that later in this course. I'm so excited to show you that. But we first need to know what products are and where they are. So they are here, yes. And under the product tab in transfers, you will see the suppliers transfers. So, and in the inventory, you will see how many stock you have. I'm also gonna show you that later back. So don't worry, if you don't know what I mean, I'm all gonna explain to you in later lectures. So these are the collections, and I'm also gonna explain that. And gift cards. You can use gift cards to give people coupons or something else. So I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon.